Hello everyone, welcome to the Automation Mentor. Today we're unlocking the power of mastering modules on Make. Ever wondered how to automate workflows like a pro? Welcome to the world of Make modules, the secret sauce behind seamless automation. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into triggers, actions, routers, aggregators, and more. By the end, you'll know exactly how to chain these building blocks together to create powerful automations that save time and boost productivity. At its core, Make works by connecting apps through something called modules. Think of them as Lego pieces. Each one performs a specific task, and when combined, they build incredible workflows. There are four main types of modules: triggers, which kick off your scenario, for example, when a new row is added to Google Sheets; actions, which perform tasks like sending emails or updating records; routers, which split data into multiple paths, giving you flexibility in handling complex scenarios; and aggregators, perfect for combining data from various sources into a single output. Understanding these basics will set you up for success. Let's break it down further with some practical examples. Say you want to monitor new leads coming into HubSpot. A trigger module listens for those events and starts the workflow automatically. No manual intervention needed. Once triggered, an action module can send a Slack notification to your sales team or even update a Google Sheet with lead details. It's all about taking immediate action. Imagine splitting incoming customer feedback based on sentiment. Positive reviews go to marketing, while negative ones head straight to support. Routers make this possible by creating separate branches in your flow. Need to compile weekly performance reports? Aggregators pull data from multiple sources like CRM tools and spreadsheets into one cohesive report. These modules work together seamlessly, allowing you to tackle almost any workflow challenge. Now let's look at some commonly used modules across popular apps. For Google Sheets, triggers like watch rows detect changes, while actions such as add row help manage data dynamically. Automate notifications in Slack using the send message action or gather user input with interactive buttons. In HubSpot, sync contacts, track deals, and log activities effortlessly with modules designed specifically for CRM tasks. The beauty of Make lies in its versatility. You're only limited by your imagination. To maximize efficiency, follow these best practices when chaining modules. Start simple, begin with basic flows before adding complexity. Test each module individually to ensure it works as expected. Use filters wisely, add filters after triggers to refine data early on. This prevents unnecessary processing downstream. Leverage routers strategically, break large workflows into smaller chunks. This makes troubleshooting easier. And finally, document your workflows. Label modules clearly so others or future you can understand what's happening at a glance. By following these tips, you'll create robust, scalable automations that stand the test of time. And there you have it, a simple guide to mastering modules in Make. Ready to level up your automation game? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss another tutorial. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.